Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. This video is our master bathroom renovation. So the same way we start out all of our other renovation videos is the demolition. So I was pretty proud of myself. This is when I started getting the courage to start seeing if I could rip up some tile, and I could. If you're new here, my name's Haley, and my fiance Cody and I bought this outdated old house, and we have completely renovated the whole thing and recorded it along the way. So as you already know, this is our master bathroom. It's so tiny, but we do what we can to make it look bigger and make all the spaces useful. If you haven't watched it already, we have our kitchen renovation up. We knocked down walls, we made a kitchen island. We have our guest bathroom. Everything that we've done so far is all kind of black and white and modern. And with this bathroom, I said, let's try to go more of like a spa type feel. So you have to watch to the end and let me know if you think we achieved that look. So my go-to stores for a lot of the things in our home have been Home Depot, Lowe's, Wayfair. That's where I get all of, like, the toilet came from either Lowe's or Home Depot. The vanity came from Lowe's or Home Depot. The shower came from Lowe's. The tile came from Lowe's and Home Depot. And then, like, the shower head, the faucets, those all came from Wayfair. I want to say this came from Amazon, the toilet paper holder and the towel holder. So, I mean, this is all stuff anyone can get a hold of. You don't need any professional license, anything like that. So I will have as many things that I can. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested in checking any of it out. Ross is a store that I tend to start out at, like if I'm looking for, like we needed towels. So I said, let's go to Ross, see if they have white towels. And they did. And I mean, obviously, if you've ever been to Ross, then you know sometimes they do, sometimes they don't have what you're looking for. So if you know exactly what you're looking for and you have time, then that's what I always do, is just go to Ross first, see if I can find a good deal. And if not, then I'll go look at Amazon and Wayfair and all of that. But I'll even do it for decorations too. In our living room decoration video, I have like some signs that I found at Ross. And so yeah, it's a good place to start out at. Now I'm just getting everything cleaned up, all the construction dust and all of that out of the way, so I can show you the final reveal of how it all came together. So now my favorite part, seeing the before and afters side by side. I am so shocked that we were able to fit a vanity this big with storage and counter space, and then seeing this wall knocked down and having a clear shower. It just is so much bigger in here, so much brighter, so much better. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please check out our other videos and like and subscribe for more.